Hi, I'm Debbie. I'm the team leader of Busy Bees Preschool, and today I'm going to do my demonstration on sharpening tools for Forest School. I'm in my garden and I have checked that there's nobody else around, and so I've checked my blood bubble and making sure that everything is safe. You can probably hear my dog in the garden. So I'm going to be sharpening my loppers today. So I've got loppers. I have a bowl of water with a whetstone inside. I have a cloth to dry and some oil if I need to. So first things first is to remove the safety catch. Now with the loppers, this part is not a blade at all, so it's this part that I need to sharpen. Now on these loppers, the blade is angled slightly on this side, so it goes away at an angle, and this side is flat. Using a workbench here, so I've got a nice sturdy surface, and I'll try and hold this so you can see. So I'm going to get my whetstone out. If I do it like that, you'll be able to see better. And this is the side that's slightly angled, so just doing little movements up to sharpen the edge at a slight angle. And then this side I'm just going to do one little one over, just to make sure on that side, just to make sure that any iron filings have been taken off. And then I'm going to wipe away from the blade. And then replace the safety catch. Didn't need oiling today, so hopefully they'll be nice and sharp for the next time I use them.